The elevator here at the Grand Bay Hotel parking structure here in Belmont, California. Ooh, tourist. We got a LULA here in the garage, and it doesn't even go all the way to the top floor. Wow, look at this gap. Look how high up the brails are.
Yeah, they're at the top.
Doesn't look like this thing gets used much.
ACME Home Elevator.
Ah, fancy.
Tourist.
Alright.
See how long it takes.
Here we go. Really smooth though. Just ERM.
That's actually, I'm pretty sure those are the...
Yep, ERM contacts.
ACME Home Elevator. Interesting.
Oh, this is Redwood City.
Oh.
1,400 pounds, 8 people in here?
It's a bit,
I mean, I guess. 8 U's could fit in here.